Hello and welcome to today's chemistry class for S.S.1. Today we will be looking at the topic elements, but we will be taking part 1 of the topic. Before we proceed, I would like to tickle your fancy a bit. Light travels faster than sound. No wonder some people sound bright until they speak. You get the drift? Now let's go to our lesson objectives. At the end of this lesson, the student should be able to define an element, mention types of elements. An element is a substance which cannot be split into simpler units by an ordinary chemical process. But note that most elements are not pure. Atoms are particles of elements and are represented by chemical symbols. A chemical symbol is a sign, and it is made up of a letter or 2 letters to represent the atom of the element. Chemical symbols of atom of elements are derived from the names of the elements. There are 109 known elements. 90 of them occur naturally, while the rest are artificially made in the laboratory. We use abbreviations to represent elements, e.g., hydrogen as H, nitrogen as N, iron as Fe. Elements are grouped in form of a periodic table. Rules for deriving symbols. The first letter of the name is taken, and this is written as a capital letter, e.g., C for carbon. The first letter and the second letter of the name is taken, and the first is written in capital letter while the second is in small letters, e.g., Ca for calcium and Al for aluminium. Some first and the third letters of the name is taken, and the first is written in capital letters while the third is in small letters, e.g., Mg for magnesium. For some other ones, we use their Latin names. The symbols are derived from the Latin names of the elements, e.g., the symbol for copper is Cu from the Latin name cuprum. There are 6 types of elements. 1. The reactive metals. 2. The transition metals. 3. The lanthanides and actinides. 4. The pure metals. 5. The non-metals, and the 6th one is the noble gases. Although, in general, elements are more commonly grouped as metals, non-metals, and semi-metals or metalloids. Now, let's take a look at this table. You will see the elements, their symbols, their atomic number, atomic masses, number of protons, and then number of neutrons. If you remember in our earlier classes, we told you that the atomic mass can be calculated by adding the proton number and the neutron number. So if you check the column of the number of protons and that of number of neutrons, if you add up the two columns, you will always get what will be on the atomic mass column for each of the elements. Here we have a continuation of the table where we have the elements, their symbols, atomic number, atomic mass, number of protons, and number of neutrons. Summary of today's lesson. In this class, we studied elements, chemical symbols, types of elements, and mass numbers. So let's now take a quick assessment to see how far you have studied. Question 1. A substance which cannot be split into simpler units by an ordinary chemical process is called A. An ion, B. A metal, C. A compound, D. An element. Question 2. Dash is normally used to represent the atom of an element. A. A chemical symbol, B. Electrons, C. Chemical equation, D. Periodic table. Question 3. The chemical symbol of copper is derived from A. Its first name, B. Its English name, C. Its Latin name, D. Its trivial name. And so with this, we have come to the end of today's lesson. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.